Alright, so just got these gloves shipped in. These are supposed to be a 48 pack, so it's at $48. So, well, 48 pack for $49 basically. I think it was $48.99. So let's just open this up. And here they are. Alright. So these would be, yeah, these would be similar. I'm a size 11, not a size 11, what am I saying? I'm a size medium usually. Medium or large for gloves. These look a little bit smaller than what I usually buy, but just a little bit smaller. But if I put them on, they seem fine. Yeah, a little bit tighter than what I'm used to. I get a little bit bigger. I guess if you have bigger hands, obviously these can expand, but only up to a certain point. You can't expand the rubber here, so I did read a comment by somebody saying that they expand to your hand. They cannot expand to your hand. I mean, the fingers, no. I mean, I would say this is like small, but would fit on a medium, and I'm medium. And then for those of you who buy large or extra large gloves, I would not buy these. Just because the fingers, you guys can see that? The fingers cannot grow on the glove itself. Everything else can expand, so if you have chubby hands or something like that, you're fine, but other than that, the fingertips, yeah, this part's just not gonna get bigger. I will be doing a review later on, but it's just a quick unboxing for you guys to see how they look like. So hopefully this gives you a quick view. If you guys are planning to buy these, the link is right here in the video description, and that would be it. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.